In today's tutorial, I am upcycling a wreath I got from the second-hand shop for $6 using some fresh branches and flowers from the garden. So follow along and hopefully you learn a thing or two. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and have fun. So first things I am going to do is take all of this off the wreath. So I have removed all of the rubbishy stuff on the wreath and I have started putting a base layer on with Ko-Fi leaves, and I'm just poking them in where I can and then just using the glue gun to keep them in place. So that's just going to hide all that old stuff. So as you can see on the table, I've got a bunch of stuff that I've got from my garden, plus some of these just as a little bit of extra colour. And so now I'm just going to continue putting this layer of Ko-Fi leaves on here. Just want to start adding some of the other foliage that you have collected. To the wreath, poking and gluing. As needed. This is the Eki, and it has lovely little pink flowers, and the younger ones before they go pink are pale green. Add a bit of this manuka, white flowers for Christmas. Yeah, watch out for the glue. It goes everywhere. So the idea with this, of course, is that you get fresh and something unique, and when you're finished with it, you just take the plants off and put them in your compost bin. course, if you prefer, you could wrap it with some wire, florist wire. If you're not keen on gluing. Now, I think this one actually is Australian Manuka. So that's how we're looking so far. So I continued putting some more flowers on and ended up quite liking the white up the top there, so I've added to it. Now I'm just going to put some Pohutakawa flowers in, which in New Zealand we call the New Zealand Christmas tree because it flowers at Christmas time. Now, there's no right or wrong way of doing this. It's all about giving it a go, and if you don't like it, you can just pull it apart or pull some off and stick them somewhere else. The scissors broke. We'll use our bigger snips. I'm just going to place them there for now, and I'll probably glue them in after, because I don't have much of this currently. Hopefully a few more will flower in the next few days, and that's the beauty of it. You can add things later. Now I've decided I am not going to put that on, and the other thing I was thinking about adding was some Christmas lights, but I think I will just leave it as it is currently. So I might just add a little bit more, and we'll see what that looks like. As I mentioned, there's no right or wrong way of doing this. I'm not a florist. I have created fresh wreaths in the past for Christmas for myself, and thought it was time to give it another go. I'm just looking around to see if there's any bits that I haven't glued in. I'm happy with how that looks. I might just add a few more white flowers to the bottom here. And there we go. Fresh foliage Christmas wreath.